Hello folks, I'm out and about. It's Easter Monday. I've brought my drone with us. It's a bit windy, but I'm going to be up the back of those hills up there. I did a video the other week about it, but I've brought my drone back. I want to go and have a look. It's my Mavic Pro, the original one. I haven't flown for ages. I'm going to go up, try and get some shots, and then I'm coming back to the Buttercup Cafe for a bacon roll and a cup of coffee. Right, let's go and see what this is like then. It's a grey overcast day. Yesterday, Easter Sunday, was a beautiful day. It was warm, it was sunny. Goodness knows if we can get 2 days in the trot with nice weather, eh? Once I'm done with riding, it's 11:25. I'm heading back to the east end of Dundee, the far eastern side of Dundee, and I'm going to meet a couple of mates. We're going to get a coffee, sit there for a couple of hours, chewing the fat, moaning about how things are better in our day, etc, etc. Alright, here we are. This is where we're going to go up. Now, in the video I did when we come down here, I found a railway line. And I did a bit of research on it, and it said it's out of use, but that's a load of nonsense. I've just saw ScotRail trains go along there, so that is a working line, but I couldn't find anything online. Couldn't find anything online that said what the services were. So if anybody knows any of the locals, please give us a shout. Never gets old. Now, I'm going to turn the bike, and I'm going to come back here, and this is where I'm going to fly the drone from. However, there's a road up here I want to go and have a look at before I do that. The Mavic Pro is a lot bigger than the Hotel Nano Plus. So it should be able to handle the wind a little bit better. Soon find out, won't we? Now, let me see. I think this is the road I want to go to. Let's go and have a look. Just for information, just so everyone knows, I have all the drone pilot stuff that you need to get. That actually doesn't make you a safer pilot in my opinion, but there you go. So and I will be complying with all the relevant drone laws. So this particular one, you've got to stay away from folk, you can't fly over the buildings, and that's why I pick rural spots like this. And it's a bit windy. Right, let's see where this goes. I think I know where it goes. I think I know where it pops out. It pops out on the road, one of the side roads that you come out of Newburgh heading towards Auchtermuchty. But we'll see, the wee stream. Ever been on this road before? It's a bit blowy. Yep, I know this road. There we go. Right, let's go back. Let's get the drone out. I think you're getting a better picturesque view of the road this way because of the rolling hills. Yep, that's the big hill at the back of Newburgh. It's a pity there's no road to go across there. Maybe a great view from up there. It's not to be. So I've decorated my office come man cave. Well, former office, it's no longer any business done out of there. I got that done. It's all looking good. But what it's made me do, or it's given me the motivation, is I've got lots of stuff that I've bought over the years that's in good condition, and I've sold them. Not for a lot of money. I had a telescope, a Mead electronic digital telescope. Sold that for 50 quid. I had a TV stand with a built-in surround sound on it, a good few years old. I think I sold that for £15, maybe £20, something in that order. I mean, it was in perfect working condition, but I just wanted rid of it, and rather than throw it away, let someone have it for a small amount of money. What else have I sold? There's 3 things. Look at that view. Sold them on Gumtree, of course, local stuff, it's fine. I've got a graphics card, an NVIDIA GTX 970 card, still a very good card. I think someone's going to come up and see it today when I get home. And there was something else I sold. So there was a telescope, there was a table. Jeez, that's terrible, isn't it? Ah, now I remember. The last thing was a digital drum machine that I had. A Yamaha, very good one. I got 50 quid for that. 25, I can't remember. It's irrelevant anyway, it's gone to a good home. And it'll be used, which is what I wanted. There we go. Right. I'm going to set up the drone. And then we'll see if we can capture any pictures. Okay, drone was up. I didn't go too far. I'm getting lots of high wind warnings. Also got an indication of an aircraft around, so I had to bring it down. It was not too high anyway. We'll see what it comes out like. Didn't go too far either, so all good in the world. Right, 12:05. I've got an hour until I meet my friends in Dundee, and I'm a good bit away. But I want a coffee first. And the best bacon roll ever. Oh, the fingers are cold because it's cool today. It feels about 7 and it's a bit windy, as you've already heard. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed this little video. A little bit of drone footage. I'm going to try and do a lot more drone stuff this year. I really do enjoy it. It's just finding places away from folk. I'm heading in there to get myself a coffee and a bacon roll with any luck. Okay. Right. Thanks for watching. Bye now.